Hi guys, this is Meshack from the Bemuse, and in this video I'll be talking about how I use credit cards strategically. So, as you might remember from some previous videos that we've done together, I have 3 credit cards. They are the Capital One Quicksilver, the Discover It card, and the Capital One Venture One card. So what I do when I am making any transaction, which you guys might have heard me mention before, is I put everything on my credit cards. And the reason why I do that is because of the points. If I'm gonna spend money, I might as well get something back for spending it. The Discover It card has revolving cashback opportunities. From the months of January to March, for example, you get 5% cashback on gas. So, whenever I'm going to put gas in my car, this is the card that I use to maximize the cash back. Also, I think in the later months in the year, from October to December, the Discover It card gives you 5% cash back if you shop at Amazon and department stores, something like that. For the Venture One card. So I've recently got this card not even a year ago. This card is a travel card, and the reason why I like it is because it gives me so many options of redeeming my points on any type of travel. So when I say that, I'm talking about Uber, Lyft, cruises, train tickets, anything like that, anything travel related, you're able to redeem with this card. Lately, traveling back and forth to New York and different states, I use Uber and Lyft a lot. So I'm able to use this card to redeem any transactions, any charges that I've made on this card. If you use it to redeem a coffee shop transactions at Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts, you will be able to use the points, but it's not going to be at the same rate as if you used it for a travel transaction. So like I said, this is really a travel credit card. And again, the reason why I love it is because unlike other credit cards, another reason why I love it is because unlike other credit cards, I'm not locked in. So for example, if I wanted to purchase a plane ticket from New York to Boston, I'm not bound to one specific airline. As long as I have my points, I can purchase my ticket and use the points to redeem from that transaction, that travel transaction. That's why I love the Venture One card. And finally, the Capital One Quicksilver card. I love this card. I've had it longer than the Venture One card for about 2 years now, or about a year and a half. And I love it because it's simple. Unlike the other cards where you have to keep track of how many points you're earning and when you can earn those points, this card, you earn 1.5% cash back on all transactions. So whether you're swiping it for a travel purchase, everyday use, coffee, whatever it might be, you're gonna get 1.5% cash back. Another great thing that I love about this card and the Venture One card, which I failed to mention earlier, is that they give you your cash back as you spend it. So when comparing the Capital One cards to the Discover It card, Discover kind of delays giving you your cash back bonus until the end of your credit card statement. So after I, swipe up my card, I have to wait with Discover until the end of my statement to get my points. With Capital One, I swipe today, and 2 days or so, when the transaction has been posted to my account, I see my points instantly. I can use them to redeem, whatever I want to do. And those are my cards, and that's pretty much my strategy on how I use my cards strategically. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and in the comment section below, tell us about some of the credit cards that you have, your strategies, and maybe I'm doing something wrong or something that you think is better. Let us know in the comments below. So, for example, the Discover It card has revolving credit point. That sounds really weird.